Welcome to Facebook Training, Module number 2, Facebook 101. So why Facebook, guys? Why are we using Facebook to build our businesses in 2017 and beyond? And it's a common phrase in network marketing that in order to build a large organization, you need to go where the people are, right? And there are 2 billion monthly users on Facebook. And it's forecasted that by 2018, there'll be almost 170 million users in the US alone. That's over half the US population on Facebook consuming information, consuming all their information. So I think it's safe to say that in 2017, that's where the people are. So that's why we're using Facebook. Now, some Facebook basics. If you're watching this video, you are in this Facebook group, so I'm assuming you already have a Facebook profile. So good, step 1. The next step is to make your profile more professional as a network marketer and more effective moving forward. So the first step to that is creating a profile picture that's a clear headshot of you. Now, I'm not saying you have to go out and hire a professional photographer. However, people need to know who they're following. You know, I love my 3 daughters. I love my wife. I love my dog. But people need to see my face on my profile picture so they know it's me, okay? The next step is to set up a cover photo, which is a large banner behind your profile. Now, I like to, personally, I have a quote up there that I love, feed your faith, starve your fear, because 1, it's bright font, it grabs people's attention, and 2, it tells them a little bit about me. The next step is filling out your entire profile to give yourself more credibility. So you can see below my name, it has some words that describe who I am as a man and who I am as a person. I'm a husband, a father, a Navy pilot, a disciple of Christ. I'm a wellness entrepreneur, and I'm a residual income enthusiast. This tells people a little bit more about who they're following and lends more credibility to you. Now, I will say this, do not, absolutely do not mention LifeVantage on your profile. Do not say that you're an independent LifeVantage distributor. And this is not because we're ashamed or trying to be, shady or anything like that. We'll explain why this makes sense later on down the road and later on modules. And we'll also get to more ways on how you can boost your content and who sees your information. But again, absolutely do not mention LifeVantage or any products on your Facebook page. Also, you definitely want to set your profile to public so more people will see your information. You'll reach more people. So, Facebook basics, do's and don'ts of Facebook. Do complete your profile as we talked about. Do create curiosity. That's what we're trying to do here. Do engage your audience, people who interact with your posts, people who like, comment, or share your posts. Interact with those people. You want to be interesting. You want people to keep coming back to your page. Do add value to the world. Do be respectful. Do Facebook Live videos, and we'll talk more about that in the attraction marketing formula. Do brand yourself. Some things not to do. Don't spread yourself too thin. Don't try to master Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, all these social media platforms. Pick one and become very good at it first, and that's what we're doing with Facebook. Absolutely do not become an infomercial blasting sales and specials on your personal Facebook page, okay? When you become an infomercial, people do not watch. I haven't had a television since 2011, but I can imagine that if I did, I wouldn't tune into infomercials. People don't consume information that way anymore. Do not spam, by the same token, do not spam your news feeds. Don't forget visuals. People want to see things that, draw them into your page, okay? So be attractive in your posts. Absolutely do not send out in personal messages, that's PMs, unsolicited links to your website or any information. Do not share other people's posts, because all that does is say that you're a fan of that person and that person's the expert, okay? Create your own content and share and use your content. Do not share other people's posts. Again, do not mention LifeVantage and do not mention any product names. We'll explain more about this in depth in later modules. For now, please just trust us. So the attraction marketing formula is one that we are actually going to discuss in depth in our next module, which is specifically on this formula. And our objective in implementing this strategy is to build an audience and a following of the like-minded people we want to attract into our business. And how do we do this? We catch people's attention on our Facebook page and add value into their lives, okay? So you can see the formula in a snapshot down there. We're going to go through it very in depth in our next module. Another key thing to Facebook is having a daily method of operation. These are daily Facebook action items that we and our team have been using. And again, 2 trainings from now, we're going to get into this in depth, breaking it down piece by piece by piece, what you need to be doing every single day on Facebook, using Facebook intentionally to grow a business. So these are, again, just very basic Facebooks. The next training module, Facebook training number 3, is the attraction marketing formula, where we dive in depth into how to apply this formula into your posts and into the content you create daily, and how to start attracting people to your page and turn them into eventually preferred customers and distributors. So thank you for tuning in. We'll see you on the next training module.